Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tin tuna fish fry. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, and a small piece of ginger. For spices, grab 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to your liking. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil ready for the pan. This quick method ensures a delicious meal in no time. Now let's get everything prepped. Start by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to remove excess liquid, then flake it gently into a mixing bowl. Next, finely chop your onion, green chilies, and the small piece of ginger. These aromatics will add wonderful flavor. Finally, combine the flaked tuna with the turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt, ensuring it's all well mixed. This step infuses the tuna with our chosen spices. It's time to fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add your finely chopped onion, green chilies, and ginger. Sauté these for about 3 to 4 minutes until the onions become soft and translucent, releasing their aroma. Then, carefully add the seasoned tuna mixture to the pan. Fry this for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's nicely browned and fragrant. This creates a lovely texture. Your delicious tin tuna fish fry is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot as a flavorful side dish, or pair it with steamed rice for a complete meal. For a fresh touch, garnish with some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. This incredibly easy method allows you to prepare a tasty and satisfying dish in under 15 minutes, making it perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a simple snack. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.